Yes, ladies and gentlemen, very good morning. Today, we are going to do a precise fitness tip, but we're going to first start with our tummy, then from the squat, then we stretch, then we call it a day. Only 10 minutes body workout. Just first start with our tummy, to harden our stomach. Come on, let's move on. Just start with the leg drop. Come on, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hold on. 20. Let's go. More squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's go. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's go. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to go. Move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Together. Let's continue. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pick up. All together. Let's continue. Let us do the Russian twist. Come on, move. Attack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All together. Simple and precise. We want to harden our muscle. There's a reason why we started this program. Those who appreciate what I'm doing, big up. Don't surrender, let us move on. We need to be hard. That's why we're here. Come on, let us just continue with the planks. 1, 2, 3, side and side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's go. Let's continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All together. You can tap deep inside your toe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now I'm stretching my back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Side and side the planks to harden our tummy. Come on, as you were watching me, elbows on the ground, elbows on the ground, elbows on the ground. I think you're watching me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Static planks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Left hand twist, come on. All together. No, we are going in, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, come on. 9 and 10. Tap inside, come on, stretch your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. All together. Ins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Ladies and gentlemen, let us push on now. If whenever you are at your home, just a small space, just create a small space. Only that only item which is needed, just a small space, and you work on. We need to be fit, you need to harden. Right now my body pores are opening. I'm burning excess fats right now, they're coming out of my body, man. That's what we need. Work on, my homies. Those who appreciate all my work have been Mark Wasso as usual. Check on my Facebook, Mark Wasso. Every exercise is there. Concerning fitness tip, it is there. Sarang Wasso Mark, Sarang double S, L, O, N, G, O. All my fitness tips are there. Work with me, let us move on. We need to harden. That's what I can do to entire society. Let's move on. All my homies, those who are from Uganda, all over the world. Thank you very much for working with me. Come on, side and side the planks. Come on, to harden our stomach. Let's move on. Planks, come on. Move, drop. You drop, side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Static planks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All together. Now we're going to fold our back. We're going to kick our back. 1, all together. 2, 3, all watching me. 4 and 5. Spin. Move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue moving. 6, 7. Let's go. Move. 8. Don't give up. 9. Don't give up. And 10. Big up. Thank you very much. At your home, the only item which is needed, the only item, the only tool which is needed, just time and a small space. Are you watching me? Just time and small space. You know, work on. Come on, right now I'm working on my practice. Come on, move. Hips in the air. 1. Let's go. Come on, move. 2. Don't give up. 3, 4, 5, 6, try. 7, 8, 9. 1 to go. 10. Are you watching this style? Come on, tap inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Are you watching me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All together. Now we are going to drop our legs straight to straight our back. Come on, we are going to fold our back to make it flexible and stiff. Come on, here we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Are you getting the message? Yeah. Fitness is what we are looking for, ladies and gentlemen. Try. As I told you, you cannot buy fitness anywhere. You need to work for it. It's what right now we are doing right now. Almost 10 minutes. 10. Take care of your body, man. Right now I'm hardening my back. At the same time, I'm working on my vertebrae to be flexible. Let's move on.
1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Big up. Hey, thank you very much. Those who try at their home, whenever you are, thank you very much for not letting me down. Check on me. Check on me what I'm doing, man. Check on my Facebook, Mark Waswa, YouTube, Salam Waswa, Mark. Come on, fold your back, make your vertebrae. The vertebrae, this is my backbone discs. I want to make them flexible and stronger. Walk on, my nigga.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8.
Thank you very much. Yes, 10 minutes there. I've already used 10 minutes now, ladies and gentlemen. Let us use the 5 minutes which are remaining for body stretching. We call it a day. Just simple and precise. The only tool which is needed just the time and small space. Work on, man. You need to be flexible. You need to be stiff. We need to be with a strong bone density. That's why we initiated this program. Thank you very much, all my homies. Thank you for working with me. Mark was as usual. For me, I'll never surrender. Let us move on. For me, I'll never surrender this game. Come what come may, I'm available for you. So I love you so much, all my homies. Time for stretching, then we call it a day. We together. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All together. Move. Try. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretching. 5. Hamstring set. 9 and 10. I will get you the message. Squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are stretching, ladies and gentlemen. Touch on the ground. Legs straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come on. Move. Stretch your back. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All together from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Flexibility is what we are looking for. No can that pen. 7, 8, 9. Don't surrender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep moving. 1. No gain. That pen. Test in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Less than 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Drop side and side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 50. Come on, just on the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 40 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 30 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. 20 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep moving. 1. Don't surrender. 2. Fitness. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 to go, guys. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
and then up 100. At least I've spent 100 this stretch. Come on, thank you very much, my homies. Those who work with me, those who appreciate we are remaining on one stretch, one dynamic stretch, then we call it a day. One dynamic one strong stretch, then we call it a day. Thank you very much, my brothers and sisters. I shall never surrender. Fitness is what we are yearning for. Let us do only one remaining one, strong one, dynamic, strong one, dynamic, then we finish the game. We need to work on, we need to work on one minute, we need to work on, we need to be strong, let me stretch, one dynamic stretch on this dumbbell, you're watching me from here. Yes, this one is going to make me more, to enlarge more, improve on my stretches. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're done. We need to bisect, come what come may. Flexibility is so crucial. We need to be fit. That's why we started this program. We need to be more than flexible. I'm on my dumbbells right in barbell right now. Standing on them, sitting on them. They help me to be more flexible. Work on, my brother. Try whenever you are at your home. No gain without pain. I feel pain, but what to do? Yeah, because I need something. I need to be the best. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just in the air, just on the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. We are done with our dynamic stretch. We are done with our fitness tip for today. Thank you for following me. Thank you for being on my side, all my homies. I shall always drop what you need. Thank you for empowering me. Those who give me words of the thumb up, those who appreciate my work, big up or never. Thank you for being on my side. Let Almighty God bless you all. Those who appreciate and watch all my styles, thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye. I've been Mark Was as usual. Never to surrender. Check on me, Mark, M-A-R-K, Waswa W-A-S-S-W-A, Waswa, Mark Waswa. All what you need, it is there. If you need flexibility, if you need the body fitness, if you need to turn your body, if you need to harden your body, if you need to harden your bone density, all fitness tips are there. Thank you very much. Have a good time. Bye bye. All my homies from different countries of this world. I'm Ben Mark Orange. Thank you very much, those who know me, even if you don't know me. But if you need to be fit, work with me, do what I'm doing, try at your home. Just a small space and time is the only thing which is needed. Only two tools which is needed. Time and space. You start. Thank you very much. Have a good time. Bye bye.